Imagine waking up to a different view every single morning. The sound of waves crashing on a beach in California, snow-capped mountains in Colorado, desert sunsets in Arizona. Now imagine doing all of that without ever leaving the comfort of your own home. A home that moves with you. A home that doesn't compromise on luxury, space, or style. That's not a fantasy. That's the reality for full-time RV travelers. And today, we're stepping inside one of the most talked about luxury motorhomes on the market right now, the Solifer Action T742. This isn't just another RV. This is a rolling palace that's turning heads and making people rethink what full-time living can actually look like. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a complete tour of this beast. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to be asking yourself, could I actually live in this thing full-time? Let's go! Alright, let's start with first impressions. And when you see the Solifer Action T742 rolling down the highway, believe me, you're going to stop and stare. This motorhome sits on a robust chassis that's built for long-distance travel. We're talking about a length of just over 24 feet, which is the sweet spot for full-timers. It's big enough to give you all the space you need, but it's not so massive that you're going to be stressing out in tight campgrounds or city streets. The exterior design is sleek and modern. Solifer didn't go for that boxy industrial look. Instead, you get smooth aerodynamic lines, stylish decals, and a premium finish that screams quality. The paint job is flawless. The body is made from lightweight yet durable materials that help with fuel efficiency without sacrificing strength. Up front, you've got a panoramic windshield that gives you an almost cinematic view of the road ahead. The headlights are LED, sharp, and they cut through the night like a dream. And speaking of lighting, the entire exterior is lined with ambient LED strips that give this motorhome a futuristic glow when the sun goes down. And check this out, the awning. This is a fully automatic, electric awning that extends with the push of a button. 16 feet of shade, perfect for those hot afternoons when you just want to sit outside, sip some coffee, and enjoy the view. It's also got integrated LED lighting, so your outdoor space stays lit up at night. Now, let's talk storage. Because if you're living full-time, you need space for everything. And the T742 delivers. You've got massive storage compartments on both sides. These aren't flimsy hatches. These are deep, weather-sealed bays that can hold camping gear, tools, outdoor furniture, bikes, you name it. There's even a dedicated compartment for your sewage hose and utilities, so you're not mixing your gear with the dirty stuff. One more thing before we head inside the build quality. You can feel it. The doors close with a solid thunk. The panels fit perfectly. There are no gaps, no rattles. Solifer built this thing to last, and it shows. Now, let's step inside. And wow, this is where the Solifer Action T742 really starts to shine. The moment you walk through that door, you're hit with this sense of space and luxury. The interior feels more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The color scheme is modern and inviting soft creams, warm wood tones, brushed metal accents. Everything just flows together beautifully. The living area is where you're going to spend most of your time, and Solifer made sure it's comfortable. You've got a wraparound dinette that can easily seat 4 people. The cushions are plush, the upholstery is premium, and the whole setup feels like something you'd find in a luxury lounge. Above the dinette, there are panoramic windows. These are huge, offering natural light and stunning views no matter where you park. The flooring is high-quality vinyl plank that looks like real hardwood. The T742 comes with powerful air conditioning and efficient heating. You've also got premium speakers throughout the cabin. Let's move to the kitchen, because if you're living full-time, you need a kitchen that actually works. And this one? It's legit. You've got a full-size refrigerator, not one of those tiny bar fridges. I'm talking about a real fridge with a freezer section. There's enough space here to stock up for a week or more. The stove is a 3-burner gas range with electric ignition, and above it, there's a range hood with a vent that pulls air outside. The sink is deep and comes with a pull-out faucet. Solifer gave you plenty of countertop space. Storage in the kitchen is fantastic. You've got overhead cabinets, drawers with soft-close hinges, and even a pull-out pantry. There's even a microwave built into the cabinetry, and under-cabinet LED lighting illuminates your workspace perfectly. Alright, now let's talk about the bathroom, because this is where a lot of RVs fall short, but not the Solifer Action T742. This bathroom is spacious. You're not bumping into walls or doing the RV shuffle. There's actual room to move around. You've got a full-size shower with a glass door. No flimsy curtains. The shower head is adjustable, and the water pressure is surprisingly strong. The walls are finished with high-gloss panels that are easy to clean and look modern. The toilet is a porcelain RV toilet with a foot flush, and the sink is a solid vanity setup with a nice-sized basin, a modern faucet, and a large mirror with built-in lighting. There's even a small window with privacy glass. Honestly, this bathroom feels more like what you'd find in a small apartment than a motorhome. Now, let's head to the back. The bedroom, your private retreat. The Solifer Action T742 features a fixed rear bedroom with a queen-size bed. And this isn't some uncomfortable fold-out situation. This is a real mattress on a solid frame. You can actually get a good night's sleep here. The bedding setup is premium soft linens, plenty of pillows, and reading lights on both sides of the bed. Storage in the bedroom is excellent. There are overhead cabinets, wardrobes with hanging space, and even underbed storage compartments. You can pack for all 4 seasons and still have room to spare. The bedroom has large windows. Natural light floods in during the day, and at night, you've got blackout blinds for total privacy. This is your sanctuary on wheels. So what makes the Solifer Action T742 stand out from the competition? First, the build quality. A lot of motorhomes in this price range cut corners, but Solifer didn't. Every detail, every finish, every feature feels intentional and premium. Second, the layout. The T742 is designed for full-time living. The kitchen is functional, the bathroom is comfortable, the bedroom is spacious. Everything just works. Third, the storage. You can actually bring your life with you. And fourth, the driving experience. The T742 sits on a solid chassis with responsive handling and good visibility. When you compare this to other models in the same class, the Solifer Action T742 consistently comes out on top in terms of value, quality, and livability. Now, I want to hear from you. Could you see yourself living full-time in the Solifer Action T742? What's your favorite feature? Drop a comment below and let me know. At the end of the day, the Solifer Action T742 isn't just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle. It's freedom. It's the ability to wake up somewhere new every single day without sacrificing comfort, style, or quality. If you're serious about full-time RV living, this is one motorhome you absolutely need to check out. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more luxury RV reviews. Thanks for watching. Now get out there, explore, and live your adventure. See you in the next one.